Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Almas Zainab from Islamic Center of Nepal. Today I want to talk about the names and titles and about the high status of Lady Fatima Masuma Salamun alayha. The name of Hazrat Masuma Salamun alayha was Fatima, and she had many other titles. Masuma is one of the famous titles of this noble lady, which means pure and sinless lady. This title was awarded to her by her brother Imam Riza alayhi salam after her death, so she was not referred to by this name during her lifetime. Imam Riza alayhi salam said, "Man zara al-Masuma biqum kaman zarani." Whoever visits Masuma in Qum is like the one who has visited me. The other famous title of Lady Fatima Masuma Salamun alayha is Karime Ahlul Bayt, which means the noble and generous one in the family of Prophet, peace be upon him. This title was awarded to her by either Imam Baqir alayhi salam or Imam Sadiq alayhi salam. Lady Fatima Masuma Salamun alayha was a sacred woman among the Prophet of Islam's descendants. She has high status, and there are many traditions which are indicative of her great status, and I will tell 5 of them. Number 1, in the ziyarat of Hazrat Masuma Salamun alayha, which actually has been given to us by Imam Riza alayhi salam, one reads, وَأَنْ لَا يَسْلُبَنَّ مَعْرِفَتَكُمْ إِنَّهُ وَلِيٌّ قَدِيرٌ. We ask from Allah not to deprive us from understanding your status. Indeed, He is the protector and has power over everything. Number 2, in some extracts of her ziyarat, she is called with these relations: the daughter of Prophet of God, the daughter of Fatima and Khadija, the daughter of Amir al-Mu'minin Ali alayhi salam, the daughter of Hassan and Hussein, the daughter of Vice-Regent of God Imam Kazim alayhi salam, the sister of Vice-Regent of God Imam Riza alayhi salam, and the aunt of Vice-Regent of God Imam Jawad alayhi salam. In the same ziyarat, Imam Riza alayhi salam refers to her for intercession due to her special esteem and nearness in the eyes of Allah. Ya Fatima shfa'ili fil jannah fa inna laka inda Allah sha'na min ash-sha'n. O Fatima, intercede for me so that I enter heaven, for indeed you have a great status in the eyes of Allah. One of the noble qualities attributed to Hazrat Fatima Zahra Salamun alayha was that her father, the Prophet, peace be upon him, would say about her, Fedaha Abuha, may her father be sacrificed for her. This phrase was also used in reference to Hazrat Masuma Salamun alayha by her father Imam Kazim alayhi salam. So this statement compares the status of Lady Masuma Salamun alayha with that of Hazrat Zahra Salamun alayha. Number 4, the authentic traditions that have been narrated by Hazrat Masuma Salamun alayha show her high degree of knowledge of various Islamic sciences and teachings and merits of the family of Prophet, peace be upon him. She is incredibly knowledgeable, and in the absence of her father and brother, she would answer the questions asked by people. It is narrated that one Friday, a number of Shia went to Medina to meet Imam Kazim alayhi salam to get some questions answered. But when they reached the house of Imam alayhi salam, they were informed that he was away on a journey. So they decided to write their questions on a piece of paper and entrust this to the family of Imam alayhi salam. After a few days in Medina, the Shia decided to return home. Before their homeward journey, they passed by the Imam's alayhi salam house, and here they were given their questions answered. And all the replies to their queries had been provided by Lady Fatima Masuma Salamun alayha, who at the time was only 6 years old. One another qualities of Hazrat Masuma Salamun alayha is the high degree of miracle, the great number of miracles that have been narrated by scores of people in different generations that has not occurred in any other places where a prophet or Imam alayhi salam is not buried, except for the shrine of Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam and Hazrat Zainab salam alayha. So that's it for today. May Allah grant all of us the ziyarat of this noble lady, which is a license for our entrance to heaven. Fi aman.